get in there.
What are you getting there, buddy? Is it a Nutty Buddy Buddy?
Wait. Is this like a big circular round chocolate bar called Magnum?
What do you got there?
We got a Magnum. It's round and it's circular chocolate. Look how big this thing is.
Alright, get in, go.
Dude, are you cold?
Pull me out, dude. I don't want to be seen. You're all out.
Hey, where's my ice cream bar? Give me a dude, all I wanted was an ice cream bar, come on.
Fuck you.
Thanks, dude. Perfect.
Got it.